guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I'm super excited because I'm here with Brooke.
Hello.
And Brooke and I met on the set of a photo shoot not that long ago. We're here in her closet. We're going to talk about her fashion, her style. She has like lots of little hidden treasures because she has clothes everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
We're starting here. Tell me a little bit about your style. Like, how would you describe it?
That's hard.
I know.
Feel like
I hate that
don't
question.
have a specific style, honestly. Like, I can go from wearing something like this to like a tight dress, like that.
Yeah, like super.
Yeah, like I'm very
like
just like whatever I'm feeling. And that's one thing I love about living here now is because in Pittsburgh, like, if there's like certain things that like I can't just wear out. I don't know what people would be like, what are you wearing?
That's
but
crazy.
here you can just wear whatever.
What's something that you're obsessed with in your closet at the moment?
I feel like these jeans, to be honest.
I'm obsessed.
Except, wait, look what happened.
Were you trying to put your foot through?
No, I think I like, cause like it's right where my knee is, so like I would bend it and it keeps breaking, and I'm like, I can't. I'm about to buy a new pair before they like discontinue them because they're like my favorite thing. I have the hardest time shopping for clothes because of my size. Yeah. So like boyfriend jeans and stuff are so hard to find ones that like fit. And when these came in, I was like,
it's so cute.
I haven't worn it yet, as you can tell.
It's like brand new and it has the tags on. This is so fun and cute because you could wear this even with like jeans.
Yeah,
Like,
I do like it. I haven't had anywhere to wear it. It's from Forever 21. I literally had a gift card, and it was right before I moved here, and I was like,
You're like, this will do.
yeah, this is it. This is the one.
She's coming home. This is so cute.
But this top,
Ooh, give me the story on her.
I wore this one time and we went out.
That's
And
magical.
Okay, but well, let me tell you a little something about this top.
Oh.
It takes a whole hour to put on your head because this does not like it stops there, and my head is like big. You should have seen me trying to put it on.
It's like,
yeah, I was like so much for my hair and makeup being done because it just totally came off.
oh my god. Well, I'm sure it was worth it because look at how like it's backless, it's sheer, it has this little rose applique. It's a hot little number.
Yeah.
I love that. Wait, can I show them this? I'm obsessed. That is so
It
cute.
literally is lingerie, but I wear it as a bodysuit, and I have one in
I'm in love with these pieces. Oh my god, this one is perfect nude, and this is like the perfect winter, like, berry kind of deep.
No, so I'm very into stuff like this, and I feel like, because honestly, I can just wear it with jeans and like wear it out somewhere casual, or you can dress it up and wear it like out. So yeah, I obviously had some good times in these because I wore them out. So it was with my friends. It was fun.
Showstoppers.
What? What?
Okay, that's at least like it's blousey, but it's like a fun color.
Yeah, but like I ain't wearing that anytime soon.
That's so funny.
So yeah, super comfy.
These are so cute. I love that these are like a light wash black denim, if that makes sense. Like,
They're kind of
sure
big on
you
me,
guys
which
know what like I mean, but it has like a lighter faded black kind of feel to it. It's so cute. I love these. I love the little pleats.
Yeah.
And where are your favorite places to shop in LA?
In LA, I haven't really gone shopping yet in LA. We've only been here for a month. You have to take me for sure. I'm very into prints. I'm like more of an online shopper, I would say.
Okay.
Except if it's pants, like I have to try it on.
Yeah.
But lately I've just been ordering a bunch of random like sizes. And I'm not kidding, like I'll order like the 002 and they'll all fit. I'm like, what? I'm so confused.
What is happening?
No, I really am. But I like Princess Polly a lot. My dad got that for me for Christmas. He picked that out all by himself.
That's so sweet. Okay, this is your sentimental moment.
Yeah, it is. He's a sweetheart. And then there's another one. This one's my brother's.
I love a good flannel.
Oh, it's very wrinkled. But this one's my brother's. It doesn't fit him anymore, so I took it. I take
Older
a lot
or
of
younger?
I take a lot of my brother's stuff. I'll come down and he's like, really? I was looking for that. I'm like, it's mine now. You're never gonna find
My
it.
brother does the same thing. He gets so annoyed at me and I steal his clothes. That one's so cute.
Just wear it.
It's just weird flannels. Cozy.
Guys, it's fall.
It's fall in LA.
Insert pumpkin spice latte here.
Literally. Oh my gosh, I I love that this little bodysuit has this cute detail here. I love anything with like detail. It's cute.
Okay, my closet is a disaster, first of all.
Show me this out.
Okay, so this is shorts and skirts.
Okay.
And then all my leggings and like athletic shorts are under my bed. All my t-shirts and tank tops are under my bed. All my jeans and like any longer pants are in that trunk. It's everywhere. It's really bad.
It's a girl's dream.
Yep.
There's clothes everywhere.
Yeah, my dresses are in the closet out in the hallway. My heels are out in the hallway. I have shoes here because I wear them a lot.
Like your everyday
yeah,
ones.
But
like,
there's also shoes behind my door and hanging up on over there. It's just a lot.
this is
Everything's
so
always so wrinkled.
I love that.
I feel like this is one of my like go-tos. Everything is like, I swear, I
This
like
is
go
cute.
out and I just shove stuff back in here and don't realize that like it's dirty.
Mood.
This is like one of my go-tos. I'm gonna put that in there because it needs to get washed.
I love this. Is like really freaking cute.
Cherries.
Obviously, this wouldn't be dinner like date.
Yeah,
this is
that's
so
where I feel
cute.
like during the day, like
Daytime for sure. So cute. I love that.
cutesy.
We got owls. So you are bi-coastal because your whole family is over on the East Coast.
Yeah.
And you live in LA. So what is your airplane airport look?
The past 2 times I've flown, it's been at like 6 a.m. and whatever I slept in is what's going.
That's brutal.
God.
Getting to the airport at like
Yeah.
in the middle of the night.
Yeah. So I'm not one of those like
Bougie.
travel outfit type of person.
So tell me about this cute little number.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that's from Fashion Nova actually. It was
So
way
cute.
before like Fashion Nova became popular. And I remember like being sketched out. Like I was like, is it gonna fit? Like just cause like their stuff's like cheaper. And I was
Yeah.
like, this is so cute. Like is it gonna
You're like,
fit?
it's too good to be true.
Yeah. My mom loves this. Like
Shout out to Mom.
Yeah, anytime I need an outfit, she's like, I bought this one, I love this.
It is cute. I'm so obsessed with this. Okay, can we please just talk about this? I'm in love. You're like, whatever.
I actually, this is like from like Forever 21 or somewhere. I went to Europe for like a little over a month, and I needed a small like black backpack to like just carry while I was traveling, and so I like I was on my way to the airport, and me and my dad ran into Forever 21, and it was like just like under the bag or something, and I was like, I think I need this.
I might have to take this. This is so freaking cute to me. I like don't know why I'm in love with it.
Yeah, it's very like
That's a
different.
good story too.
Yeah, so I ended up getting it, and I wore it in France. So
Do you have a photo?
I do.
Insert
I have
here.
a picture of me with the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my gosh, I knew this was a magical piece. Okay, and like this gorgeous ruffled little thing. This is so fun.
Yeah, it's very like, I feel like it's young looking.
Like it's
But
sweet.
yeah, I've worn it with like heels, and I always get lots of compliments on this for some reason.
It's just so pretty.
Yeah, no, it is. It's very like elegant.
I
I feel like that would be a good word to describe it. But I feel like that's something that I wear to like a family function.
I like am obsessed with everything in your closet because I love like bodysuits and I love the whole like
Yeah.
I feel like you're a good mix of like edgy but girly
Yeah.
at the same time and I love that.
Whatever the day is.
Whatever you're feeling.
Today I'm gonna look like a homeless person. Tomorrow I'm gonna look like I'm going to prom. And today I'm gonna be a skater.
Here you have some cute little bracelets and things. Do we want to talk about any of this?
Sure, so a lot of these are stacked bracelets, which as you can see I have them like layered on my arms. But yeah, so like these are all stacked. Everything on here is stacked. I'm actually friends with like the girl that owns the company, and I actually just made my own.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
We need to talk about that.
Well, she'll like just randomly send me like, because we have a house in Florida, so this one says Florida on it. This one's an OU. One which is where I went to school.
That's so cute.
Yeah, I have a lot of them, but I wear them all the time.
I'm obsessed with this cute wall. You did
you.
such a good job with it. It's adorable.
A lot of my bags are all like behind my door, but these are the ones that are like my go-tos, I would say. This is probably my most used purse. I like take this anywhere. It's just simple. It
Crossbody.
goes with anything.
This is so cute actually with the little chain.
Thank cute. Yeah, you can take off the strap and just use it as like a little purse too.
Yeah, I love the way it just kind of, because I'm such like an accessory girl, so
Yeah.
I'll just find this for you guys. This is so cute.
This is probably like my most special purse. My grandma bought this for me as a Christmas gift because she was like battling cancer and whatnot, and she wanted me and my sister and my cousin to all have like something sentimental because she always like would take us on trips and like stuff, and she was like, this year like I want you guys to have something special to remember me by. So.
And it just so happens that it's gorgeous and she has amazing taste. So
yes,
that's really cute.
This bag is, I take it to work every day.
The tote, the work bag.
It has like my headphones, I have a phone charger, I have a paycheck.
Hey, make that money.
Just random, like sunglasses.
Sunglasses for sure. Definitely in LA in traffic for hours.
Yeah.
That's a necessity.
Yeah, no, I take this one though, because I usually pack a lunch, so I just like plop my lunch right in, and it works.
And it's still so chic and trendy.
Yeah.
Love it. I love that like you have your initials.
I know.
I'm obsessed with like a good boot, like a
I
fun.
wear them all the time.
These are great.
I know.
Freaking fantastic. I feel like that we like kind of talked about everything.
Yeah.
And we raided your closet, and I brought snacks. So should we sit and snack and
Yes.
chat? I brought some snacks. We have some ice cream. We have some donuts. We're junk food. We really are junk food.
Oh, these
junkies
look
today.
so good.
I got an assortment. Okay, this is an appropriate first question. Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla.
Heels or flats?
Heels. I mean, obviously they're not the most comfortable thing, but because I'm so short,
Grilled chicken or fried chicken?
grilled,
Designer or thrifted?
thrifted,
Chips or ice cream?
ice cream.
As we eat ice cream.
Ice cream.
Long nails or short nails?
Short. So we were just talking about nails.
Mm-hmm.
They're gross.
Bikini or one piece?
Bikini.
Okay, when you're doing your makeup, heavy eye or a dark lip? What do you go for?
Dark lip.
Daytime or nighttime?
I don't know. Both.
Yeah, you're kind of like
It depends on what I'm doing.
gold or silver?
I feel like gold lately.
Mhm.
Like all my necklaces are gold, obviously, and I wear this one every day. My grandma that I was talking about gave me both this bracelet and this, so I wear them every day.
Like
So then I wear
staples,
like the other gold because to match
Yeah.
it. But like my rings are silver. Like,
So like both.
Yeah.
Like you'll mix.
but I
which
think
is
right
fun.
now, like currently gold.
Gold. I'm a gold girl too. Twitter or Snapchat?
I'm never going to wear.
What? I'm so in love with Twitter. Lash strips or lash extensions?
I don't have lash extensions, and I don't wear fake eyelashes. So like, can I say neither? Like, I like mascara.
Natural. Texting or talking on the phone?
Talk on the phone. I am the worst texter in the world. Ask my friends. They want to murder me. I have 68 unopened texts,
You guys.
and they're like, it's so bad. Like, look, this was last Wednesday. Still haven't opened it. Oh my god. Like this from
That's so funny.
September 21st, September 18th, September 15th. Oh, do we think we can make it? Oh, the beginning of September.
Oh
Still
my
haven't
god.
answered.
A month. Oh my gosh.
July 1st was the last unopened one.
That's so funny. I feel like that's kind of cool though because you're an in the moment person.
Yeah. Wait, who is this? Hey, it's Scott Doyle. We met on the jet. What? I didn't answer.
Online or shopping at the mall?
Online.
She already said that. I already knew that.
Mm-hmm.
Planned out or spontaneous?
Probably spontaneous.
I was assuming. Black and white or color?
Black and white.
Yeah, that was
No.
I feel like you're black and white, but like pops of color.
Yeah.
Tea or coffee?
Tea, because I don't know how to use my coffee maker.
Okay, lastly, who is your celebrity crush?
Oh. I did not know.
This is a fun one to end on.
I have a lot. We're gonna be completely honest. Obviously, Zac Efron. Like,
he's like the classic, like, he goes like High School Musical, like, he's Zac Efron.
Mhm.
He's everyone's like celebrity crush.
Troy Bolton.
Yeah.
No, I love him.
We love
He's
him.
my go-to answer
Yeah.
for that question. But I have a lot of people that I love. I just can't think of their names, but we're dating, me and a lot of them. Me and Zac Efron
Very exclusive.
went on a date last night.
Oh my gosh.
Just kidding. He didn't show up.
Thank you so much for having me over.
Of
I
course.
had so much fun raiding your closet and just
It's a mess.
snacking and
I
shopping.
need you to I have a good idea. I'll get rid of everything and you can go shopping and fill up my whole closet.
Don't tempt me. That sounds like a dream
I
come
need
true. That'd be fun. We're gonna have lots of shopping days
Yeah.
to come.
Yeah, and ice cream dates.
Yes. And you need a YouTube channel.
I have one.
Okay, you need to post on YouTube.
Yeah, I have one. I don't post. I've been posting like random vlogs, if that counts. I don't know what my name is though on it. It's probably Brooke Hyland.
Okay, we'll just search her name, Brooke Hyland. Obviously, it'll pop up, but I will find it and link it for you, so it will be down in the description. So you'll also find down there like her Instagram, and be sure to follow her. Be sure to like and subscribe to. Oh my gosh, like and subscribe. What did I just say?
Like and subscribe.
To Closet Raid, and be sure to leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite thing was that you saw in her closet, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.